Magandang umaga! Cycling highway in the Netherlands. Cool, ha? You can see on the left side, that's for the cars, trucks. And dito sa right side, a 2-lane, 4-lane for the cyclists.
Yeah. So there was a delegation from the Philippines coming to the Netherlands
Exactly.
to see how to improve the cycling paths in the Philippines.
Yes, and I hope that they brought some cyclists, real cyclists, to put some thoughts on it as well. Kasi malaki ang difference ng kultura. At the same time, how people perceive cycling in the Philippines. Some people think that it's only annoying to see cyclists on the road. Pero hindi naiintindihan ng iba. People needs to exercise first. Second, economical. Third, nature. Huh?
And fourth, think about you sit in the car and you see a cyclist, you could think about you had another car. And if you
Yes.
see 50 cyclists, you have 50 cars in front of you.
So we have to respect the cyclists as well. Give them all the due respect. But for all the cyclists as well, sana give respect as well to the motorists. Hindi tayo kasing bilis ng may mga sasakyan. So, wag gumitna. Gilid lang tayo. Relax.
Red traffic lights are red traffic lights for a reason.
Exactly. Ha? Kapag nakita na ninyong nag-red, huminto naman tayo. Kung sila nga na may mga lisensya, puma-follow sa traffic rules, we are not exempted to the rule. So, in order for us to have a better transportation system, let's follow. Although sometimes we say, nagkakamali, but we have to learn from it. Okay? So, from the Netherlands again, magandang umaga.
Sock cycles.
Sock cycles, cycling to adventure.